Right, okay, we're going to pressurise the boiler now from, we can see it's at 0 on the dial. 2 little black taps underneath the boiler here, and this is what's called the filling loop. So we're going to open these taps. At the moment, the taps are vertical here, they are both closed. So what we're going to do is we're going to open them both. We'll start with one. Now the water doesn't start to pressurise the boiler until we open them both. So we're going to open the second one here now, and we're going to watch the dial start to increase on the boiler. And as you can see, it's going up now to half a bar, increasing to 1 bar. Now the optimum pressure is 1.5 bar, and this is important because we don't want to go over that. If we start getting too high pressure, this is when we start getting leaks. So now we're on 1.5 bar. Now I'm going to turn one of the black taps off, and that now is off again in the vertical position. When it's in the horizontal position, we're on. Now the reason there's 2 is because it's very important that these do not get left on. So you have 2 to be on the safe side, just in case one does, because we don't want it going any higher than 1.5 to 2 bar. Now your boiler's pressure is up to 1.5 bar. It will either automatically kick in and you'll get your heating and hot water again, where on some boilers it will actually show you a flashing light and there may be a reset button. So that's what you want to do, is be pressing that reset button, and then with any luck it should actually just start working again for you.